My name is Rory Marshall. I'm a software engineer, and my role with the Mach 7 is I'm an integrated software engineer. So I deal with the Python code going onto the electronic parts of the Rover. The most difficult part of the Rover was trying to move away from the Mach 6 design. So the Mach 6 design, we have continuous tracks, and this would require you have to actually go into the unit to move the robot across. So with the Mach 7, we've developed a system where the robot can crawl across itself, making it far more autonomous. So here we do everything completely from scratch. So everything's from the mechanical design, from the mechanical team, to the software design, and to the electronic design, which is my part. That's all done in-house, and that's all done completely from scratch. The Mach 7 is the first stage of autonomy within the company, essentially. So beforehand, all the Rovers needed to be controlled and it could only do one run per go. So with the Mach 7, we're trying to bring forward this one button press system, essentially. When you load in all the distances, so all you need to tell the Mach 7 is you need to say how far it wants to go and how many it wants to go across. You can press one button and then all you've got to focus on is the water. So it removes that need for a human to even get inside the boiler, but it removes that need for a human to intervene in the process at all. It needs to be autonomous. Yeah, you load it all in and then you press go and you just sit and watch it.